Jaren feeding her Christmas present for the first time.
And maybe the last time. Just like grab him with my hand.
Just grab him with
I
your
don't
hand.
like it.
Just like grab him in your hand.
Okay.
And just grab him.
He's gonna get out of my hand though.
No, just grab him. Close your fist.
Okay.
Close your fist. Take it out.
Okay.
Take it out.
Uh-huh.
Shake. Stop screaming. Stop screaming. Here, I'll grab him. There. Here, take this. Take this. You gotta stun him a little bit to make him stop. I did. I told you to shake him.
Are you gonna dust him?
No, we won't dust him. Not this once. It'll be fine.
Okay. Oh, it's right beside him. He doesn't even know.
He may not be hungry. Oh, there he goes. Did you close them up?
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Hey,
Emmy, get down.
Get down. Gonna feed him another one?
No.